childlike hope and make-believe. It shimmered there beside her bed with tiny wings of silver thread. But unlike dreams that drift and glide, this dream refused to float outside. I want, it said, to truly see what waits beyond the dark for me. So it created something new, a staircase made of starlit dew. Step after step it rose so high, it touched the quiet velvet sky. It climbed past whispers left by trees, past lullabies upon the breeze, past shooting stars in glowing flight, and shadows curling into night. At last it reached a shining door where 1,000 dreams had climbed before. It knocked with soft and glowing hand, the door swung wide to dreamerland. Inside were fields of swirling thought, where wishes bloomed and hopes were caught. The little dream gasped in delight and burst into a brighter light. And when the child awoke at dawn, she smiled to find her fear was gone. For dreams that climb to worlds unseen come back as courage calm.